Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode. And today we're going back to sneakers as we are going to unbox a new pair of LeBron kicks that I was able to pick up for a steal, 50% off the last few days. This is my unboxing of the LeBron 17 Currency. Let's go. By the way, before we get started, if you want to give the channel some love, please do hit the thumbs up button down below. Helps the channel out a lot. Also, share it on Facebook. And if there's anything that you want to comment about the sneaker, hit the comment section. Let's get to a great discussion. Now, before we jump into the LeBron kicks, I just want to give you guys a quick update on my favorite Air Force Ones right now. This is, of course, the Travis Scott Air Force One Cactus Jack. And this is the way that I've been wearing it the last few days, especially that I had to go out of the house to do some errands and official business matters. And the great thing about this sneaker is that you can wear it different ways. You can wear it with the shield, you can wear it with different laces, and I talked all about that in my initial unboxing and review of this particular sneaker. Now, one little detail that I didn't talk about, which I appreciate more now that I look at it, I just realized that they use some sort of like mint green stitching for the midsole. I'm not sure if the camera gets it properly, but it just looks really nice. I mean, I am really digging it. And initially, I said that I wasn't too much of a fan of this one, but being able to change the styles, putting the shield on, putting the shield off, changing the different laces, makes me appreciate the shoe a little bit more. So again, shout out to Good Souls PH for the hookup on this at a great price. Appreciate you, bro. And we'll set this shoe aside now. Again, if you want to see the full review of this, it will be linked down below. Now let's get to the fun part. Let's talk about the new LeBron, my new LeBron 17s. Came out a couple of weeks or months back already, the LeBron 17 Currency. Now, this is the shoe, and as your typical LeBron 17 goes, you have the LeBron 17 logo in gold with the lion, of course, in black here at the top of the lid. LeBron 17 written on the side, and you have the details of the shoe over here. I did go size 13, so a full size up. Now, before we pop the box open, this sneaker is inspired by, well, as you could tell by the name, money. If you actually go to the insole, and we'll see that later on, it spells LeBron using different legal tenders or different money symbols. And it'll be interesting to see what that looks like when you guys see it later. So let's pop the box open, but bam! This is what the shoe looks like. So this is the LeBron 17 Currency. And as opposed to the previous colorways that came out, from the all red one to the black and red one, to the Monstars one, to the Lakers one, this one is more of a different take on a triple black LeBron. It's not just all black because obviously you have a pop of iridescent color over here at the midsole, and the same thing that you can see with the swoosh along the side of the sneaker, and even the logo of the lion of LeBron's logo here at the tongue tab. It has that same color styling around it to give it a little bit more pop. Speaking about details, if you take a look at the collar, it looks like some sort of crown. So this is one point, this another point, this another point. So it's like three triangles pointing upwards, obviously because, well, LeBron James is the king. We move to the upper, it uses that black, crisp, hard, durable, unforgiving battle net. Why unforgiving? Because this shoe is really all about performance. It's made to keep your feet inside and not keep it moving. So the foot containment is solid, especially if you're playing hoops. And by the way, if you want a performance review of LeBron 17s, I'll put links down below to a couple of performance reviews by some of my favorite Filipino sneaker YouTubers. Of course, one of them being Mark Chess. He does a really great vlog or YouTube channel on performance reviews specifically for basketball shoes. So make sure that you guys head on over to his channel, give him a subscribe, show him some love. Of course, a fellow LeBron fan, check out Sean Santamaria as well. The links to both of their channels are down below in the description box. Now you're probably thinking, Carlo, it's called Currency, but show me the money. Where's the money in the shoe? Is it the iridescent like color on the reverse swoosh and the midsole? Actually, it's in the insole. It's in the footbed, which is kind of weird because if you take a look at one pair, so this is the right pair, James is written in different legal money tender, and LeBron over here on the left pair is also the same. So as you guys can see over there, it's spelled in different money denominations. And it's kind of weird that the signature detail of the shoe for which it is named after, currency, is hidden away inside the footbed and the insole. So I'm not sure if that is a great idea, but hey, if you're just looking for triple black Lebrons with a nice story behind them, if people ask you about it, and I don't know if you want to show the footbed or the insole of your shoe, but yeah, that's the thing. It's hidden. The currency detail, the signature design is out of plain sight. So if you want a pair, you have several options. You can hit up Good Souls PH. He's an Instagram reseller, but I think he has a couple of LeBron pairs at great prices. You can also check out the Nike Philippines website. I'll put links down below to different sneakers that I feel that are great for you to consider, because they're actually having their Father's Day sale. So you can actually get several sneakers at 30% off via the Nike Philippines website. And I actually have a follow-up vlog because my haul from that arrived just a few minutes ago. So maybe tomorrow or Sunday, I'll do a haul from my Nike Philippines website shopping. So yeah, so that's the LeBron 17 currency. I hope you guys enjoyed our unboxing and quick on-feet review of the shoe. I'll put a link as well. I keep saying I'll put a link, but I feel like I won't, so I won't say it anymore. So just search for my other LeBron sneaker reviews and features on the channel using the search bar, and just include my name when you search for the shoe. So what do you guys think of the LeBron 17 currency? Let me know in the comment section down below. Would love to hear from all of you. Guys, that's it for our vlog for today. I'll see you again tomorrow for a brand new vlog. We'll probably do tech again since we did tech yesterday, sneakers today. Back to tech again tomorrow. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.